So I started this channel at the end of 2021 to help beginner investors get into investing and realize that investing does not have to be complicated. Another reason at the back of my mind was that I could earn a living doing things I love on YouTube and not having to be tied down to an employer or a specific work location. So 1 year on and nearly 5,000 subscribers in, where has this YouTube journey taken me in terms of how much I've earned in 2023? So my first revenue stream, being the fact that I am a YouTuber, is YouTube itself. So when you click on one of my videos, sometimes there is an ad before the video, sometimes there's an ad in the middle, and sometimes when you're watching the video, there's an ad somewhere else. Now what happens is that advertisers pay Google a certain amount of money, and that allows them to run ads on YouTube. So every time you watch my ad past a certain point or actually click on it, it will give me a portion of the revenue that Google or YouTube is receiving from those ads and share it to me as a video creator. So of course, the more views I get, the more ad revenue I will be receiving. And because I am in a finance niche, my RPM, which is the revenue per 1,000 views I get, is a lot higher than other niches such as gaming or even lifestyle. Now, in order for YouTube to pay out to creators, they require the creator to actually apply for the YouTube partner program. And to get into this partner program, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of people having watched your videos. Now, it took me 6 months to reach this criteria, and on March 14th, I became a partner of YouTube, and then actually I was eligible to receive some of that revenue as income for myself. So if I hop onto the computer now, I can show you more in detail how I've made this money off YouTube. So this is my YouTube analytics screen, and you can see in 2023, I received 286,000 views, 22,000 hours of watch time, and I gained a mighty 4,000 subscribers in that year. Now you can also see that my views started to gradually increase throughout the year. I always tried to post at least twice a week, and in fact I did that, and sometimes I posted 3 times a week. You can see that my current subscribers is at 4,543 subscribers, which I'm very happy about. So if we click onto the revenue tab, you can see that I made a whopping £2,746 and 98 pence just from YouTube AdSense, which is another name for the platform that actually pays out to you for ads on Google services. One thing to really note is that I was monetized on 14th of March. So as you can see, on my first day, I received £3.60, which I was very happy about. Fast forward a few days, I received £6. The average was around £5, as you can see in April, £5, £5, £5. And then towards June, things picked up and I was receiving on average around £6-7, some days receiving £14. And in July, one day I received £15, which made me very, very happy. As you can see, around July, August, around £7 each day. And then after August, things started stepping up again. I was very commonly receiving over £10 per day, which I was very, very happy about. And of course, towards the end of the year, when the RPMs are highest, because advertisers pay the most towards the end of the year, you can see that the amount they've paid actually increased more and more. On the 15th of November, I received £20, which was the highest to date, but you can see it kept on going up. And on the 13th of December, just before Christmas, I received £25 in a single day. Now towards the end of December, you can see they started paying a bit less, and on Christmas Eve I received only £5.81, even though my views at that point were actually going up. You can see more importantly that my RPM is at £9.59. However, this number is actually lower than what I've actually received, because this takes into consideration all the dates that I was not monetized. So for example, if I just change it back to December, you can see that my RPM was £13.21, which is really, really high. Typically, niches such as lifestyle get around £1 to £3 per 1,000 views the channel gets. So how did I make this amount? What videos were contributing towards my most earned? Over here, you can see my top earning content. And if I click to see more, you can see that these videos here made me the most amount of money. So first of all, we have our Trading 212 guide for beginners, and that's made me £1,258 in 2023 alone. That was with around 71,000 estimated monetized playbacks. You can see that the RPM for this video throughout the whole year was £18.43. Now, if I change the date range and go back to March the 14th when I was first monetized, you can see that now the RPMs have increased because it doesn't take into consideration those dead days when I was actually not receiving a single penny from any of my videos. So anyway, you can see this video here, Trading 212 Guide for Beginners, has an RPM of £21.93. Estimated monetized playbacks hasn't changed, so I'm not really sure how YouTube actually calculates this. But in any case, I receive money from people watching my ads and also YouTube Premium. So if you have YouTube Premium like I do and you watch something, the creator doesn't doesn't benefit from you watching their ads. However, the portion that you pay towards your YouTube Premium actually goes towards the creator. However, this is a lot less than if you were actually to watch the ads on the creator's video. So my second most profitable video was how to make money with Trading 212. As you can see, that's made me £200 over 2023. That has a high RPM of £10, but nowhere near the RPM of the other videos, so actually half of that. You can see the other videos that have a high RPM. The Trading 212 Guide for Beginners, again, £12.70. Plum app review gave me a good RPM of £16.04. So making money on YouTube is a combination of having a high RPM idea, but also getting lots of views. For example, this video here has an RPM of £16.36, but it's received a lot less views, making me a lot less money. However, there is a problem with relying on YouTube ad revenue, and that's the fact that it is very sporadic, and from month to month you can get a lot of variation. This is why any sort of influencers, whether they're on YouTube or any other platform, want to diversify their income streams. Advertising revenue from YouTube does make up a significant portion of my earnings as a YouTuber. However, there are other ways of making money and making sure that month to month I have enough money to continue doing these creative endeavors. So the next portion of this video, I'm going to go through my affiliate marketing income. When I started this channel, I didn't really want to lean into affiliate income. There are a lot of providers out there who even email me on a day-to-day basis who make their money off of fees, regardless of if their customers are actually making money or not. For this reason, they are incentivized to actually sign people up, as they will make money regardless, and a lot of them have very shady business practices, and I made it my point to avoid these like the plague and only really recommend providers that I would use myself. Now, I made lots of videos on this channel about a platform called Trading 212, and when people sign up using my link in the description down below, I get a free share. For most of 2023, however, I did not actually receive these free shares as I wasn't properly signed up to their affiliate program, and I missed out on potentially hundreds of free shares. However, towards the end of 2023, I actually signed up properly to the affiliate program because I really recommend them. And from free shares, when you sign up, I received £1,096.03. This leaves my total earned so far to £3,843.01. So the other only provider that I really recommend is called InvestEngine, and I was part of the affiliate program before I actually created this channel. This is because I had a channel previously that I started talking about finance on, and they saw me and they wanted to partner up with me. So when you sign up to InvestEngine using the link in the description down below, you will receive a welcome bonus, and I will receive a specific amount for me to keep myself. Now, I'm not going to reveal how much I get per sign up, but in the total of 2023, I received £1,050 from these sign-ups. Again, I don't heavily push out on any affiliates. If you want to sign up, it's completely up to you. I don't keep mentioning it or actually force anyone to do that, because I believe personal finance is everyone's personal choice to go with whatever broker they want, and it's their own risks that they should be thinking about. So I give them that option and always leave my links in the description down below. So that leaves my total income from YouTube to be £4,893.01. In addition to my two most recommended platforms, there were throughout the year some platforms that I made specific videos on, and under certain circumstances, maybe due to the fact that they had a good welcome bonus that you can withdraw later on, I put some of my affiliate links in my videos to some of these providers, and in total I received £327.89 from these providers, bringing in my complete total for the year 2023 as a finance YouTuber to be £5,220.90. So in 2023, I received a daily rate of £14.30. This is including weekends, and it's just the total divided by 365. As a per hour basis, that's around 59 pence per hour, even when I'm sleeping or doing other things. Now, this isn't enough to leave anyone's day job, but it is a start. And I think that 2024 is going to be a much better year for me in terms of views. 2023 wasn't completely monetized in terms of ad revenue and in terms of affiliates. And going forward, I'm going to actually shift my focus to producing better quality videos that have higher engagement and can hopefully make YouTube one day my full-time occupation, as I really enjoy making these videos, and I have for years done them without making too much money. Make sure to check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in the next video.